This is the Boya Magic, one device that can adapt in 4 scenarios. The Boya Magic transforms into a wireless lavalier microphone, handheld interview mic, desktop mic, and add-on camera mic, supporting magnetic wearing so you can use it in many cases: street interviews, live streaming, conferences, and vlogging. Compact and ready to use. And there's also, of course, the built-in one-click AI noise reduction. The 3rd generation noise reduction technology intelligently filters out sudden noises, dynamically eliminating interference while preserving pure vocal quality, switching intelligently between 15 dB and 40 dB, the super slim 13mm body with just a weight of 7 grams. Boya Magic eliminates the bulkiness of traditional wireless mics. Let's get to some other spec features. It's equipped with 48 kHz 24-bit definition sampling, 20 Hz to 20 kHz wide frequency coverage, and 144 dB ultra-wide angle dynamic range. And yes, it has dual audio protection. An intelligent limiter keeps input volume safely within the range in real time to prevent distortion. Simultaneously, a safety track is recorded at -12 dB alongside the main track, providing redundant backup to ensure critical audio is never lost. And yes, it has automatic gain. It adapts in real time to sudden loud or distant soft sounds, and enhancing subtle effects for a dynamic and balanced output. It's one of the main features, the included charging case that also acts as an interview setup dongle. Isn't that amazing? The included charging case controls the microphone directly without the complex setup. And yes, there is also the Boya Central app, so you can professionally tune all the specs of the microphone at your fingertips. The Boya Magic app offers pro-level tuning without needing to recording studio, easily adjusting the AI, noise cancellation, gain control, and apply studio-grade presets on your phone, turning raw audio in polished tracks with ease. Let's go for some outside test scenarios. And we are now outside testing the Boya Magic interview mix setup in this open field environment with some slight noisy situations. And yes, I can go back and forth and get a true understanding on how this amazing 4-in-1 setup works for all your production needs. And when taken out, it can be used also as lavalier microphone. We have a windy situation with the noise cancellation on, so you can understand how it works and how it sounds in this open, windy environment. And yes, this is just another use case for the Boya Magic lavalier mics that also is an interview mic suitable for your smartphone and iPhone usage, and all-in-one microphone desk stand. Isn't that amazing? Test 1, 2, 3, we are doing another test outside in this slightly windy situation to check the complete range and actual usability of this amazing true system. And yes, I don't need border about 15 to 20 meters because this is a small compact interview setup that you can use everywhere, even in this long distance range environment. This will be working without any problem getting clean sound to get the noise deleted from the wind and all the other. And yes, now you're hearing the complete indoor voice from the Boya Magic. Test 1, 2, 3, we are connected straight to my Sony a7S III with the receiver connected with a 3.5mm connection. So we have all the setup going in this indoor studio scenario, and you can hear how it sounds. And the great feature is the magnetically attached receiver for your smartphone that actually seamlessly integrated in the charger transmitter case. And just one click of a button you can get the AI reduce function done. And yes, you will get the iPhone dongle included in this complete package. And with this wind muff, you will be sure that even in high wind situation you will get a true audio capability. And yes, there are also 2 wind muffs for the small lavaliers, double USB-C charging cables, and the Boya Studio Recording Soft Sponge. The softshell carrying case is great for all your stuff kept in a safe place. And yes, I'm completely recording this on my Sony a7S III with the receiver that's included in this complete Boya Magic package, so you can use your 3.5mm connection on your camera and get true amazing professional audio for your next recording. And yes, don't forget that Boya Magic is now live on Kickstarter and you can get your early bird price on the link in the description right now. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.